The following video features are actually performed by AI-generated software. Therefore, this video is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken seriously. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, Dog, man. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta bark, bro, because I ain't gonna lie, it's finna get crazy, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I need y'all to give me the 15K subscribers. Subscribe right now, man, because today we about to be talking about the future plans with the Helldog, man. This is the first video about the Helldog we gonna talk about, and basically we finna see how we finna do this. I need y'all right now, the people watching right now, I need y'all to comment below, watch this full video, listen when I'm gonna just save some points, and I'm gonna need y'all to comment what y'all think I should do to make the official Helldog build, man. So subscribe right now. Also, don't forget to hit the like button too, man. The more likes we get, the more the video get recommended, man. If y'all don't know that, hit that like button as fast as y'all can, bro. Take 3 seconds to hit the sub and the like button, bro. So, support your boy, Dog, God. Cause I'm finna be broke because of y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm finna be straight broke because of y'all. The Helldog is running to. But anyway, man, we got the 6-1 right here, man. The 5.7 is other garage, whatever. I'm gonna teleport to that in a second, man. But today, y'all want to talk about how we finna do this Helldog build, man. Y'all know we got the 5.7. We're gonna talk about the 5.7 later. Let's talk about the 6.1 Hemi since we got this thing right here, man. The 6.1 Hemi right here is y'all already see, bruh. This 6.1 Hemi beat the 5.7, man. Or if y'all didn't watch that last video, make sure y'all watch the last video. We gonna put the we got the engine covers and everything over there, man. We gonna put that back on. But we got the cooler 6.1, man. We just need to get her a wash, man. A full detail inside and out. And I'm not gonna lie, this thing is ready to go, man. We got this thing fully working, no engine codes, nothing like that, bro. And this thing is running, man. Y'all seen that from last video. So this is what we finna get into, y'all. I'm trying to see how I wanna build the Helldog. Like I said, should it be the 6.1? We gonna talk about the 5.7 plans too. The 6.1 is completely stock, y'all. It only got 20,000 miles on this thing. We could throw a Hellcat supercharger on this thing and make this thing a Helldog, bro. Or we could add a torque storm, a pro charge, something like that, man. Y'all let me know in the comment section, man. This car is dirty as hell. We gonna have to clean this ASAP. It's a lot we could do with the 6.1, I'm not gonna lie to you. If y'all don't know, man, this does have an aluminum intake. This is the best intake for boost, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, like if we put a torque storm on this, we gonna get more power than we would if we put it on the 5.7, the torque storm on the 5.7 or a pro charge on the 5.7. You're gonna get way more results with the aluminum intake manifold, bro. So y'all let me know, man. Should we put a cam? You know what I'm saying? I say the boy saved up some money this winter. I ain't gonna lie, your boy saved up some money. And I want to give it back to y'all, man. I want to get y'all lit, man. I'm gonna give y'all some lit content, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. So I ain't gonna lie, we gotta make this official, man. I've been kind of inconsistent in the past, you know what I'm saying, a little minute with the 5.7, but we got everything in order now, man. Consistent dog, man, as y'all been seeing so far, bro. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram too. But like I was saying, bro, 6.1 Hemi, should we build a 6.1 instead of the 5.7, man? I need y'all to comment below right now, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. This would be kind of crazy, man. You got an old gen pushing like, man, I ain't gonna lie, we can get the tune with underground too, man. We could get this thing to 650, 700 horsepower as a 6.1, bro. Crazy work. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. And it's a rare car. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is a rare car we're looking at, man. 20,000 mile SRT8, bro. Like, this is actually crazy. I'm not gonna lie. But y'all already know, man, this thing is completely stock, man. I ain't gonna lie, we could add headers, a cam, E85. We could do the whole shebang, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know, you know what I'm saying? My boy JJ Peanut Butter. Don't get your boy right, man, depending on what we do, man. So we can get the tune from underground, a straight dyno tune from underground. Y'all comment below, man. What y'all think we should do with the 6.1? Should we let this just be what it is? Keep it rare as hell, clean it all up, and just, you know what I'm saying, keep it at that? Since it's a rare car, it actually is a rare car. And then should we build the 5.7, or should we get like a third complete car, bro? Like if y'all don't know, the first gen SRT8, my 5.7 is the late gen, that's third gen. We don't have a second gen, y'all. Ain't gonna lie, we could build a second gen Hellcat. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I comment below. I'm gonna teleport to the 5.7 in like 3 seconds. And we gonna talk about the 5.7, what we might do with the 5.7. Simple as that. I need y'all help right now. I ain't gonna lie, man. I need y'all help. If y'all got this far in the video, I really need y'all help. This is kind of like an informational video. Ain't gonna be too lit. But yeah, I'll be right back in 3, 2, 1. Good old 5.7, more. Fuck, man. Hey, man, I love this car, man. This car is the one that got me started, man. Not gonna lie to you. If you want to talk about like V8 wise, the good old RT, man. Not gonna lie to you, bro. All my other cars been Volkswagen, Chevy Cavaliers, you know what I'm saying? This is my first V8 car right here, man. And everybody keep talking about my SRT badge too, man. I know I up badge, y'all, but I got it from a sponsorship, bro. Like, what y'all want me to do? Not put it on game? You want me to not put a free mod that glow in the dark? pull all the hoes. Hey, what y'all want me to do, gang? And we gonna turn this thing to an SRT anyway, maybe. Y'all y'all comment below, man. But yeah, man, 5.7 Hemi right here. Y'all know we got the headers, we got the tune, we got some something different to the mid pipes. We got what else we got? 309 LSD, all that shit, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. This thing, all it needs is literally, I can keep my same transmission, get a SCAT motor, and now I have an SRT. I be riding, bro. I can literally get a SCAT motor, just the motor alone, bro. Them go for like 2 bands, gang. 2-3 bands, bro. Just the motor alone. And I can make it an SRT, bro. Y'all be, bro, get off my, man. I got it for a sponsorship. I got it from a sponsorship, and the hoes love it. That's all I care about, man. But anyway, man, we already talked about the 6.1, what we might do. We ain't gonna lie, everything we said with the 6.1, we could do with the 5.7. My car is dirty as hell. I'm sorry. I never got time to watch this thing. But anyway, man, we can whipple this thing. We can Helldog, or I can't even talk. Hellcat supercharge this thing, you know, the MMX adapter kit and all that. We could do that. We could throw a Whipple on this bit. We could throw a Torque Storm on this bit. And we could throw a goddamn Pro Charge on this bit. So y'all comment below, man. Should it be the 5.7? Should the 5.7 be the official Helldog? Y'all know this is the Hell Pup right now. Should your boy grow up a little bit and turn into a Helldog? Or what, man? I ain't gonna lie, motherfuckers look at this shit. But y'all comment below right now, man. We already talked about the 6.1 and everything like that. Now we at the 5.7 thing, man. Not gonna lie. And not gonna lie, we got one more option as well, man. If y'all don't decide to choose a 6.1 or the 5.7, bro, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. We gonna build a third car, man. It might be the, I ain't gonna lie, we could build a 2nd gen. Y'all know this is the 3rd gen Chrysler 300 5.7. The 6.1 is the 1st gen. We don't got a 2nd gen. We can have all the generations with all the engines, bro. Build basically a Hellcat. Y'all want me to build a Hellcat instead of the 5.7 and 6.1? Y'all want me to just keep these alone? I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna keep the 6.1. If I don't go with the 6.1, I'm gonna keep the 6.1 stock. I know we gonna come back to this one. We might throw a Torque Storm on this or Hellcat Supercharger in the future. But this the Hell Pup, man. I low-key might make the Helldog a whole separate car, man. No cap. Whole different wrap, everything, bro. So y'all comment below, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't know what to do. But yeah, man, we could do a 3rd car. If y'all boys decide y'all want me to do that, I'll look into that. You know what I'm saying? Go shopping soon. But your boy dog stacked up some bread, bro, and now I'm ready to turn the tube up, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro, and give y'all boys some more content, man. So shit, I don't even know, bro. I'm real indecisive. So really, it's y'all. It's up to y'all, man. What I do, I'm listening to my viewers, bro. I'm listening to my viewers 100%. We can go Hellcat for the third. This third, I was a Hellcat, and get it built by Underground Tuning. We can go 5.7, Torque Storm, Whipple, Pro Charge, Hellcat Supercharger, adapter kit. And obviously, we're going to throw a cam in there, too. Whatever one I just said, we'll throw a cam, too, with it as well. So, and then the same thing for the 6.1 as well, man. Same thing for the 6.1. I just don't know what to do, man. I don't know what to do, man. I need my dogs to help me out, bro. No cap, man. I comment right now, man. So, 6.1, build the 6.1. Don't judge my hands dirty as hell, bro. I just got off work, gang. Look, rubber bands on. Work Come on, man. I just got out work, gang. But anyway, bro, 6.1, built the 6.1 fully. I'm running in circles right now, bro. I'm just excited. I don't know what to do. I just got to upload this video and see what y'all boys say, man. I hope y'all don't say some dumb ass. I ain't gonna lie. But like twin turbo V6, some crazy. That's gonna piss me off. I'm not gonna lie. That's gonna piss me off. But anyway, man, right here, I need y'all to comment, bro. I need y'all to comment. It's up to my dogs what we doing, gang. Simple as that. I'm gonna keep on saying it. Hit the subscribe button right now. Hit the subscribe button right now. I'm not gonna lie. We get, I think we are like 9,500 right now. We get 9,700 subscribers right now. I'm gonna record me going to buy whatever we do. But y'all gotta let me know in the comments right now. I'm gonna count out all the comments. Build the 6.1, build the 5.7, and y'all gotta tell me how y'all want me to build those, or build the Hellcat and turn it into a Helldog, man. That's simple as that, man. That's how we gonna summarize that right there. I don't got too much to say, too much to talk about no more, man. I'm not gonna lie, I just peeped this. Y'all seen what happened last video, bro. I tried to yeah, it's pretty bad, but yeah, we gonna need a new fender liner. If y'all got a fender liner, throw me one for the free ski. I ain't gonna lie to you. We gotta fix this wrap too. We gotta clean this car. It's a whole bunch. We gotta do the 5.7 and the 6.1. We gotta clean the 6.1 still too. But I'm just blabbing right now, gang. I'm not gonna lie, I'm just blabbing right now. Probably finna drive around for a little bit. I ain't gonna lie to you. Good luck. Oh yeah. Good luck action right here, man. Not gonna lie to y'all boys, man. But yeah, bro, that's pretty much it for the video, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. I just want to talk to my guys real quick before we get this going, bro. Make sure y'all tap in. As y'all seen, I drop at least once or twice a week. I'm gonna try to up that. I just work every day. Nice little pull with the. Oh my god. Oh my god. Cool, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, cuz. This motherfucker straight. I ain't gonna cap. I love my little 5.7. I don't care that I lost to the 6.1, man. It's supposed to lose. Oh, shit, police right here. I'm tripping. Oh, I'm tripping. Hold on, let me go ahead. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. All the police right here. Oh, my God. But anyway, I ain't gonna lie. Let me take my black ass home. That's the sign to take my black ass home, man. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it for today's video, man. I hope y'all comment. I hope y'all subscribe, bro. I need y'all to subscribe and like, bro. I need y'all to watch every video, bro. That's how your boy dog gonna get paid to do whatever I'm gonna do for y'all, bro. So I'm gonna need y'all to run them likes up, run the views up, bro. And your boy dog is consistent, man. I told you I'm gonna be consistent 2026. Got everything situated, man. And now we here with it. I ain't gonna lie to you. We rebuilt the 6.1. Now we done with the 5.7. Now we need some more. I ain't gonna lie to you. I fucking love this car. We might have to build a 5.7. I don't know, man. Hey, I'm on this beat, man. Hey, I love y'all. Y'all stay safe. Y'all stay blessed. And I'll see y'all next vid. It's gonna get active.